We're asked to graph a couple different equations for question 9. It says identify both the y-intercept and the slope of the lines. So if I take a look at A, you can see that this is written in slope-intercept form. I can see that the slope pattern is up 3 over 2, and I have a y-intercept at negative 4. So I'm just going to go down at negative 4. I'll begin with a dot there. 1, 2, 3, 4. I really appreciate it. Many of you did put a scale on this, so I knew that what you were talking about. So 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This should be a 5 positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 positive. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5 negative. And the origin. And you don't need any more than that, but I can clearly see that each line represents 1 unit. The slope pattern was up 3 over 2, so I can go up 1, 2, 3, and then over 2, up 1, 2, 3, and over 2, up 3 over 2, up 3 over 2, and then at a certain point I could just grab my my ruler and connect those points. So that line should look like this. Notice it's a nice straight line. I used a straight edge there to make sure that I wasn't getting something awkward. Again, the slope of this line, the slope pattern was up 3 units over 2, and the y-intercept was at negative 4. Slight twist on the other question here. On this one, I've got a equation that's not written in slope-intercept form, but you can see I can manipulate that fairly quickly by just subtracting 2x from both sides. So y equals negative 2x and then plus 6. And now that I see this, right, that one manipulation there, I can quickly go ahead and plot the y-intercept, which is at positive 6, right? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. Again, this is my positive 5. And then from here, I'm just going to go down 2 units and then over 1, down 2 units, over 1, down 2, over 1. 1, 2, 3, 4, 5. This is the 5. At this point, there's enough of those there that I can go ahead and grab my straight edge and connect the points. So that's what that looks like. And it's a relatively nice straight line, right? I'm not sketching this. My slope, you can see my slope pattern is negative 2, and my y-intercept is at 6.